See, as has been tweeted by the former Chief Minister and our party President Naveen Patnaik ji a few days ago, we are all deeply distressed, extremely anguished. The student community in particular of Odisha are completely shocked at this gross negligence, apathy and callousness of a government that refused to listen to a begging student, begging for justice, begging for mercy from sexual harassment by her teacher. Now, what worse can happen in an educational setup, and as famous as the Fakir Mohn University, one of the oldest in our state? The tragedy that has come to the family, I have my sympathies, I share their grief. But what is happening, shockingly, is the fact that the system is just not running in this government. She had not only been running from pillar to post, she had approached the local MLA, the local administration, the local member of parliament, the minister concerned, and finally she tweeted tagging the chief minister and the education minister of our country, who incidentally is from Orissa. Now, nobody listened to her plea for help. Now, that's really shocking. It pains me deeply. And as I told you, the student community of Orissa, in every college, in every institution in this state, are deeply hurt, anguished at this, apathy, callousness, hard-heartedness, and I think total lack of sensitivity to a girl student's plea for justice. I have tweeted that heads must roll. The BJP must, take action against the ministers concerned, the members of parliament, the local political leaders whom she had gone to plea. And what is shocking is the fact that she belonged to ABVP. Now, if a student community which is believing in ABVP, member of ABVP, cannot be protected in a government which is led by BJP, what more shocking thing, can anything else be? And the fact that she had been doing it not out of impulse. This has been going on for some certain period of long duration of time. So she didn't do it out of impulse. She did it out of helplessness. At the helplessness in not being able to do anything, nobody listening to a voice. I wish that the government takes the strictest action. I think the local district collector and SP's role must be probed. And as we know, the internal complaints committee report was a sham. Their role must be investigated. So personally, I feel a judicial inquiry and also simultaneously a crime branch inquiry in which the collectors and the SP's role and everybody else's role should be included. And as far as the BJP is concerned, I think if the Chief Minister has an iota of sympathy for the family of that girl, an iota of sympathy for students' causes in this state, must ask for the resignation of the Education Minister, the local MP and the local MLA.
What BJD will do? BJD will go from there?
No, the BJD has already protested. You would see that this initially, when she was convalescing in the AIIMS, we all prayed before the Lord to save her, because this is not a time to do politics. But we were enraged. The student community was enraged that the Biju Chhatra Janata Dal, Yuva Janata Dal, they expressed it on the roads of Bhubaneswar. But I think a time has come when it has to go to every campus. Educational system in our state cannot be denigrated to this extent.